Bitcoin to 100k, China stocks to see strong rebound in 2024. Hi everyone, Happy New Year. This is Nosy Nerds, and yes, I have said it. But what has made me come to this conclusion? Let's take a step back. 2023 has been eventful, literally from political tensions and war to the AI hype from ChatGPT. It was full of surprises that made many analysts' predictions totally wrong. I was wrong too. None of the recession prediction came true, and China never really rebounded despite early signs in January. As of today, global inflation seems to be under control, and we have probably seen policy rate reaching the peak globally. Moreover, global liquidity seems to have reversed for the upside, which could be good news for risky assets. There has been strong employment gains coming from the US, contrary to expectation of a slowdown in the labor market. However, a deeper study shows that we are purely recovering from pandemic levels and nowhere near pre-pandemic growth levels. While US consumers are back spending, Chinese and European peers are still lagging behind, which is a worrying sign. Furthermore, we are likely entering an era of slower growth, higher interest rate, no longer zero rate policy compared to 10 years ago. This is made worse by the ever-increasing political tension around the world, especially when there are a couple of significant elections happening in 2024, such as the US presidential election. There is no doubt political relationship and agenda will continue to pop out in the news throughout the year. Just take a look at the number of trade restrictions since 2020, a drastic threefold increase, highlighting the increasing difficulty and risks to navigate the global investment landscape. Let's not forget about the inverted US yield curve. The reversion of yield curve often has a high correlation with a recession. Could we still see one, given that the reversion is taking place now? With all this as backdrop, where could be areas of opportunity in 2024? First, US equities are likely to continue its growth given the earnings improvement. Investors will also be encouraged that the average returns of US equities during past presidential election years have been roughly 5 to 7%. However, one should be cautious when selecting securities, as I believe that only a selective few companies are likely to outperform the index. AI hype generated by ChatGPT has driven many large cap AI firms to reach valuation. That being said, I believe that there are still opportunities to identify quality companies at decent valuation. Maybe Apple or some AI agents. Moreover, the AI narrative should not stop at just such company. One can look into the supply chain and identify potential opportunities in infrastructure players supporting the AI boom. One example could be in the semiconductor industry, where many firms were facing headwinds in 2023 and could be at fairly attractive valuation now. Moving away from US to Asia, I believe that there are two areas of interest. While many has shunned China in 2023 after many years of non-performance, I strongly believe that 2024 will see a strong mean reversion for Chinese equity given that the government has started to provide support to certain sectors and inject liquidity into the economy. However, with the continued political tension between US and China, I'm at a camp that China may not continue its tremendous growth rate like the past decade, and hence this presents opportunity for emerging Asian countries in the region, such as Vietnam and India. Beyond equities, investors could look at immediate term bonds, such as those 3 to 5 years bonds. This is because, with a high likelihood of reversion of yield curve and fall of interest rate, one should look at owning long duration or do a steepener trade to profit from such situation. Furthermore, with rates likely to come down, I believe that US dollar will depreciate and hence assets such as gold and crypto look promising. Specifically for crypto, there are a couple of tailwind events. Number one, will be the Bitcoin halving event, which usually suggests the onset of a crypto bull run. Second, the potential approval of Bitcoin's spot ETF in January 2024 will likely attract more institutional demand into the space. Really exciting times ahead. That's all for my 2024 outlook. What do you think will happen? Let me know in the comments below. Take care and bye.